ATC Weatherland. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, back to a little bit of a winter chill in the air. It's funny to turn on the heater in January. What's up with that here in Acadiana after getting spoiled with temperatures in the 70s the last couple of days? Today, lower 60s, and tonight, heading for the 30s. So let's take a look at the big picture across the U.S. We have snow showers. The Northeast feeling a little bit of winter going on. Then we go a little bit farther to the south and west, and we're starting to see precip bust out across portions of New Mexico. Some snow and some rain farther to the south. This is the beginning of our weather system. More wet weather on the East Coast. And as we go, and let's drag this over here, look at this mammoth storm system out here in the Pacific. A series of storm systems lining up to pound the west, and eventually we'll get in on some of that action a week to 10 days down the road. But the only system to mention right now is this system here in New Mexico. That's the one that's going to bring us the chance of showers come Saturday, but the day is not going to be a washout by any stretch of the imagination. We'll get to that in just a bit. Fair skies, though, as we switch over to the high resolution GOES 16 satellite imagery. Back to the west, though, we do see those high clouds moving through the Texas Hill Country. That's going to get here during the day tomorrow, and we'll see in and out sunshine over the next couple of days, but generally a fair weather pattern. This morning we started out upper 40s to lower 50s, hit our high of 62 roughly at 2 o'clock this afternoon, and that's exactly where we should be this time of year. Normal highs lower 60s, normal lows in the low to mid 40s, and tonight will be a little bit colder than that. 47 right now in Lafayette, but as we showed you earlier, readings dipping down already down to 39 in Opelousas, so it's a chilly night for sure. High pressure off to the north, staying far enough to the north to maintain somewhat of a north breeze overnight tonight, and that may inhibit some frost from developing, but tender vegetation uncovered out with the open skies above. You may want to cover that for tonight just in case some frost should develop, and that is a possibility through tomorrow morning. Then tomorrow, mostly sunny skies, those high clouds coming in as we head into the afternoon, so a sun and cloud mix, probably a little bit more cloud cover in the afternoon, and that's going to limit our afternoon highs a little bit tomorrow with that high cloud cover. And then as we move into Friday, more of the same partly to mostly cloudy skies, some intervals of sun. It will be a little bit milder getting into the lower 60s. So here's that next storm system developing across Texas. That'll be moving eastward. The best chance of rain and heavier rains are going to be up toward Arkansas and northern Louisiana. We will see scattered showers moving across the state as we head into Saturday afternoon, but I think by the latter part of Saturday afternoon, this front works its way far enough to the east where things quiet down just in time for dinner time, or if you're going out to do the art walk, whatever you're going to do. And then cooler air pushing on in as we head into Saints Sunday. That's the football team. A mixture of sun and clouds for our Sunday. Notice temperatures again back in the 50s, but still the right temperature to do some grilling outdoors. And then as we head into the middle part of next week, nice and chilly as high pressure takes up residence for a couple of days. Mixture of sun and clouds once again. And then toward the end of the week, it looks like we're going to get in that pattern with plenty of clouds, on and off rain chances Thursday, Friday, perhaps Saturday as well. And then we'll keep an eye on this ridge of high pressure. This is a pretty cold ridge of high pressure. We'll take a closer look at that tomorrow and see if we're going to see any cold air before this winter is done. In the near term, this is the model guide. It's the European model. Not impressed with the rainfall. This is through Saturday, so just enough to wet the ground in spots, maybe a half-inch here or there. And the GFS model, much the same. Not very bullish on rains across Acadiana, but close to an inch up toward Alexandria and Leesville. So some folks will get a little bit more than others, but again, more of a nuisance rain this weekend rather than a real washout or a soaking rain. Tonight, though, the story is temperatures getting down to 33, 34 degrees. St. Landry, Evangeline Parish on northward, whereas that will be the best chance of some frost. Mid to upper 30s I-10 corridor, a little bit milder in Lafayette, also by Lake Charles, and mid to upper 30s along the coast as well. Then after that chilly start tomorrow, we top out in the middle 50s. Tomorrow night, we drop down into the upper 30s to lower 40s, so not quite as chilly. And as we head into your Friday, temperatures lower 60s. Nice finish to the week overall. So feeling like winter again, clear cold, few patches of frost by morning in spots. Not everybody sees that though. 37 the low, 56 the high tomorrow. Nice day indeed. Mostly sunny skies with those high clouds coming in for the afternoon. And as we head into Saturday, upper 60s to near 70 before that cool front comes in. So up and down temperatures. That's the way it goes in January.